All right, we're going to create a scatter plot in Google Sheets. So I'm going to take the median listing price, and I'm going to just take from row 5, including that header, down to row 31, and I'm going to hold down the control button on my Windows keyboard, and I'm going to select these cells as well. So that's my data range. Go up to the Insert menu and click Chart. All right. Now this is going to give me the median square feet versus median listing price. However, this is putting the median listing price along the x-axis and median square feet on the y-axis. If I wanted to change this, actually over here on the setup, we can just make a couple changes. The x-axis, I can just change this to be median square feet. That's not the only change I need to make. Secondly, the series that I want to plot, that's the y values, it's going to be median listing price. Made those two changes, and you can see it's changed the axes, and it has the formatting all looking nice. Very easy to do. That's a lot easier to do than it is in Excel.